Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Explorer and locating the file you want removed. This matters because workspace context affects delete scope. Once located, right-click the file and choose Delete or hit the Delete key for speed. Make sure to note whether VS Code will move the file to trash or permanently delete it. If you prefer recoverability, choose Move to Trash. If you need immediate permanent removal, use Shift+Delete, but be aware that is irreversible. Once you've removed a file in Explorer, you often need the command palette for alternate methods. Press Ctrl+Shift+P and run the file. Delete command when Explorer controls are locked. Make sure to consider Git. Files tracked by version control will appear as deleted and must be staged and committed to record the change. After deletion, refresh the Explorer and open the source control view. Run git status in the integrated terminal to confirm the repository reflects the intended removal and avoid accidental data loss. Once removal is complete, verify the result. Open trash to recover files moved there, or confirm permanent deletion if that was your choice. If Explorer still displays the file, make sure to restart VS Code or clear workspace caches to refresh the view. As a key troubleshooting tip, check file permissions and running processes. If a process or extension has a lock on the file, deletion will fail, terminate the process, release the lock, and try again. Then commit git changes to finalize the state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.